and Parrot. Let's go.
Yeah, it's good. It's good. I'll get back to you. I'm expecting some things. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, Parrot.
Sir.
That's nice.
Wow. Thank you, sir.
You're amazing. Wow.
Thank you, sir.
Like, please, you will have to remove that cobwebs, please.
Okay, sir.
I don't want anything that will look as if
Okay,
there is
sir.
dirty. Okay.
Okay, sir.
You are doing so well.
Thank you, sir.
Wow. Okay, let's go outside. Let me see the environment. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Don't worry. I will charge your phone. Okay. I
Wow.
will
Thank you,
charge your
sir.
phone,
Thank you,
yes.
sir.
Doing them good. You understand?
Hey! I want to be like you.
Don't worry. If you keep doing good for people, your
Yeah.
own will come easily.
Yeah.
Not like other boys that I have. They misbehave so much.
Yeah. No, I know they do like
They
that.
are bringing girls, prostitutes,
Ah.
making this place horrible for my tenants.
No,
But
me.
for that thing, because I love appreciating people, okay? I'll just give you some token.
Hey!
Just credit you with 100,000.
Oh yeah! Hey! Hey!
No, it's okay. Don't do that. Just thank God, okay? Don't do that. Don't do it. Please, can I get your account number?
010
010
40.
40.
You this useless girl, I will kill you. I will kill you with my bare. I will kill you with my bare hands. Watch out!
30.
30.
Watch out and say that. I will kill you with my bare hands.
Ha! Okay, wait. People did not. Who be that? Work first. I know it, but this is how I do it.
This
Work
boy.
first. You understand? I
You're
know say
just
God give
impressing
money,
me
but
every
work.
time.
You trying to disgrace me, I will kill you myself. Watch out.
Go and check him. Go and check him. Go and check him. Please make sure I'm safe.
Come inside. Where is the person? Where is the person? Who is the person that got you pregnant? Who is the man that got you pregnant? The one on the black? No. Which one got you pregnant? Speak up! Speak up!
Cigarette man.
You got you pregnant. Got you pregnant.
Come and show me that guy that got you pregnant. Where is the house? Where is the house? Come and show me. Come and show me now. Is it the house? Come and show me that man that got you pregnant. Come and show me.
So, I will personally kill you.
What kind of problem is this?
No. Who is here? Come and show me. Is it this guy? Is it this guy? Or this one? Is it this thing? Hey, Chai! You from maybe go this guy.
He got you pregnant too.
Now why will they call him God?
God. Oh God. What has this girl gotten me into?
If you see what I'll do to you today, oh God, I don't want to beat you. I know what to do. Don't worry. Just wait for me 5 minutes. I'm coming.
How am I going to trust anyone again in this job? I'm even tired. And youth of nowadays.
You gonna explain
I'm
tired?
tired. I cannot make this shit. What is it?
The 100,000.
You are very stupid, seminal idiot. You want to come and embarrass in my own house? You will hear from me.
Moi, Raptam. Ashaku.